Are you searching for car PPF cost in Bangalore? So you've decided to shield your beloved car with a coat of invisibility? Well, almost. Paint Protection Film, PPF, a wonder product for car enthusiasts, protects your car's paint from scratches, swirl marks, and even minor abrasions. But with all the benefits comes the big question: how much does PPF cost in Bangalore? The PPF price puzzle. What affects the cost? Several factors influence the final bill for PPF installation in Bangalore. Car size and shape. SUVs with their grand curves naturally require more film compared to a compact hatchback. Expect a higher cost for larger vehicles. PPF film quality. Not all PPF films are created equal. Premium brands with superior scratch resistance, self-healing properties, and better clarity will cost more than their basic counterparts. PPF coverage. Do you want a full body shield or just protection for vulnerable areas like bumpers, door handles, and ORVMs? A full body wrap offers maximum protection but comes at a premium. Installation expertise. Experienced detailers with skilled installers ensure a flawless finish and might charge slightly more for their expertise. Here's a ballpark figure to help you estimate the cost. Full car PPF. This offers the most comprehensive protection and typically ranges from 100,000 rupees to 230,000 rupees in Bangalore. Partial PPF. For those on a budget, protecting vulnerable areas can cost around 15,000 rupees. Remember, these are just estimates. The best way to get an accurate quote is to consult a reputable PPF installer in Bangalore. They can assess your specific car, your desired coverage level, and the film quality you prefer to provide a tailored estimate. Pro tip: don't just chase the low price. While budget is important, resist the urge to go for the cheapest option. Here's why. Film quality matters. Low quality film might not offer the same level of protection or longevity as a premium brand. Installation expertise is key. A botched installation can trap air bubbles or cause uneven film application, ruining the aesthetics and potentially damaging the paint underneath. Investing in quality PPF and proper installation ensures your car stays looking showroom fresh for years to come. Now that you have a better understanding of car PPF cost in Bangalore, you can make an informed decision. Research reputable detailers in your area, compare quotes, and prioritize quality over the cheapest option. With the right PPF protection, your car will thank you for it.